single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, so here we are. Joelle and I were supposed to. Here's Joelle's daddy, Vilo, in the house. I want to show you guys. And here's Noche stretching. We were supposed to go today to the campo, Gasper Hernandez, to go purchase our cerdo. But it's raining, mucho lluvia. And Vilo came with some Halba. Oh, sí, más mayor. Halba is más mayor. It's the best crabs. And so here we are. And I also got some homemade cacao butter. His dad made it for me. I gotta show you guys. Baby, ¿tú puedes abierto para mí, por favor? So it smells good. Perfecto. So, aquí. Mira. So here we are, guys. It's a little bit of a rainy day. I'm going to show you outside what's going on out here. There was a storm the other day. It's really nice to see. It's really nice to see Joelle's dad here. It's his first time here, so it was nice to see him. We're talking about buying land, guys. So here we go. So it looks like we're going to be taking the day off. I don't mind at all. You guys know I'm always so busy. Look at Noche. Noche, Ben. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? I buy off him often. So you can get pineapples from the truck. You can get broccoli. Broccoli, baby. Noche, Ben. Sí. Es mi favorito. So you can get cabbage, you can get tomatoes, you can get lettuce, you can get pineapple, you can get avocado, you can get broccoli, celery, watermelon, potatoes, papaya, peppers, potatoes aquí as well. And let me see what else. Limes. I'm pretty sure you can get limes. And what else? Yo no sé, mi esposo comprar para mí hoy. Limes, lemon. ¿Tú tienes limón? No? Okay. Avocado, aguacate. Sí, muy bueno. Noche can smell the farm. These guys just came from a farm, so you can buy right from the farmers, and you will hear them on a speakerphone in the street, and they'll say what they have for sale. They'll say banana and watermelon, or they say it in Espanol. So you always want to kind of buy off the truck that's going by so you can support the local farmers. ¿Tú tienes una finca? ¿Tú tienes una finca? Él tiene finca. Finca de vegetales. No. Okay, so he has a farm. Him right here. ¿Dónde está Noche? Noche? ¿Dónde Noche, baby? ¿Dónde? Up. Arriba. Noche. Arriba. Noche. Hey. Arriba. What did I say? Arriba. Hola. Noche, arriba. No, 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 no. Arriba. No, you're taking off on your own. Come on, up the stairs. No, no, no. Oh, I can't lock her in. Let me give her a chance. Okay, then, come on. You stay with me. You don't take off. Already, she listens. Noche, Ben. Lo siento. Un momento. Gracias. Hola. Now she's listening very good. So here we are. Hola. Noche. Tú no abierto hoy.
Now I want to finish.
You're not finished yet?
No.
¿Cuándo tú abierto?
No, yesterday I want to finish the
Sí,
place.
pero ¿cuándo tú abierto?
La semana próxima.
Okay.
The problem is I have a little shopping over there. Yeah,
Right.
I'm working too.
Okay. So you're busy doing two things at once.
I look for money.
Right. Ah, see? Exactly. Exactly.
For la pandemia, it's a little difficult.
It is difficult. He's opening up a new business, guys. So when he opens up, look forward to me showing you guys what you're serving. You're gonna have tostada. You're gonna have natural juices. Perfecto.
The black lady?
Oh, she's in Las Terrenas ahora. Sí. So this is Dayota, guys. He likes my friend Millie. Ella nombre is Millie. Sí, Millie. Noche? Ven, mi amor. So yeah, guys, and I'm just gonna let you know how much this all comes up to. It's right from the farm. It's weighed right here in the store, and you can't go wrong because you're supporting local farmers and you're getting fresh food made organically from a farm here in the Dominican Republic. So, you know, look out for these trucks that go by. You'll hear them on the loudspeaker, and just know your numbers. That's all. You just add and know the currency rate. That's really all you have to know. You don't have to know a lot of Spanish at all. You just have to know your numbers and point to what you want, and then they'll tell you how much it is per libra. That's per pound, and libra is pound, like I just said, and that's it. You really don't need to even know Spanish. Point, they tell you the price. You just really need to know the currency rate if you are confused about like how much 500 pesos is or how much 1,000 pesos is. 500 pesos is 10 bucks roughly. 1,000 pesos is 20 bucks. American, I'm talking about, roughly. So, sí, baby. Sí, gracias. Me gusta mucho. Ah, me gusta. Sangria? Sí, sí. So, yeah, you really don't need much Spanish at all. And don't be shy, because they encourage people. Money is money. And if you don't know your Spanish, they're not going to get frustrated with you. They point anyway. Even when they're busy, they point with native Dominicans. Dominicans will point when the truck is really busy. They can't hear over the traffic sometimes. So, you know, just jump right in and tell them what you want, and that's it. Don't be shy. You're here in the Dominican Republic, especially if you're relocating. You'll be able to help stimulate the economy, the farmers during, you know, tough times. And you'll also be able to nourish your body and soul with things that are not infused with chemicals. Excuse me. I want to ask him. Baby, yo quiero preguntar poco preguntas. ¿Tú entiendes?
Eso caro.
Sí. Sí, ¿cuánto cuesta? 200. Es okay. Es para nosotros salud. So this is $4. He's like, are you sure you want the watermelon? Because it's very expensive. It's 200 pesos, which is $4. It's a little expensive, but it's naturally grown, organically grown, and remember, I could easily spend $4 on a cocktail. But I'm on that 60-day cleanse right now, so rather spend it on food. Why not? All right, guys. So yes, again, you can get pineapples, and look at these pineapples. I love how imperfect they are. Look. Like you have 2 stems and little baby stems. I love it.
Hembra.
Hembra. Oh.
Piña, hembra.
Oh, it's a girl, piña. But y este is hombre?
Sí, hombre.
Oh. Hombre tiene un and hembra, so the girls have 2
Es un cosito.
stems there, and the men have 1. Interesting. Oh, I want to ask him his name. Que hombre.
La chiquita, la que está abajo, la otra. Está bella también. Está mejor esa.
Now my Spanish is not all that good, and I know this guy. Come on, Noche. I guess we'll ask another day. Come on, Noche. Ben. Gracias. ¿Qué es tu nombre? ¿Tu nombre?
Rafael.
Rafael. Okay, gracias, Rafael. ¿Y tú? Francie? Okay, gracias. Es mi canal de YouTube. Okay, at least I got to ask the guy's name. So if you guys see Francie out in the calle, out in the street, see? Oh, okay. Papaya. Gracias, Francie. Pasa buen día. De nada. I can smell the cangrejo. Cangrejo. Ah. Okay. All right, guys, we have a lot of fruits and vegetables. Now we're gonna cut out and have a good meal for the day. Let's look and see.
Every single day